Hey guys, today I'll show you how to host multiple WordPress websites on CyberPanel with just one VPS. So CyberPanel is absolutely free and open source, and it has an open light speed just like the OLS panel. If you don't want to use cPanel, CyberPanel is the way to go. So let's get started. So you need domains. So I have two domains right here, and you just need to have one VPS. So I'm using kernel server. You can use any VPS like Hostinger, Contabo, Darknode, AltaHost, Rocknerd, or whatever VPS, as long as you will use Alma Linux, Ubuntu, or Rocky Linux. So let's get started. I have already bought my kernel server, so I'll just quickly log into my VPS control panel. And now I am here on my kernel server control panel, and I am currently using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's scroll down, and this is our IP address. We will copy this IP address and we will set a DNS record to our domain register. So we will set a DNS record for both domains. So we'll click manage. We'll go to advanced DNS and we will add a new record. Choose a record. For host, just put @ and paste your IPv4 here. Click save. Do this on the rest of your domains. So we'll manage again. We'll add our DNS record. Okay, we'll paste it here. Click save. And now our domain and our domains are now connected to our VPS. So we will connect to our VPS using a free SSH client called Bitbase. So let's open Bitbase. So paste your host here and use root as your username and use port 22. So we will click login, accept and save, and paste your root password and click OK. Click new terminal console and we will update our system. So we will wait until this is finished. Next, we will install CyberPanel. So let's copy the installation script, paste it here, and hit enter. So choose one. We will use open light speed. Choose Y. We'll choose no. We'll just use the latest version. Just hit enter. Choose Y, Y, and Y. And we'll wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. So now we have successfully installed CyberPanel. You can restart your server by choosing yes, but we will not restart this one. We will access our CyberPanel using this IP. So let's open this in a new tab. So click advanced and let's proceed. So we will use admin and we will use this password. So admin. We'll hit enter. So welcome to your CyberPanel dashboard, and we will add our first website. So go to websites, create a website, and we will select a package. We will use default. So for owner, just use admin. Start with webchunks.space. we will use PHP 8.5. And if you want to use your domain with email, just click this one. But for now, we will just leave it as is. We'll create the website. Then we will go back. Then we will go to list websites. Then we will go to manage. Then scroll down. You will see here WordPress. We'll just click install now. Okay, just add a blog title. So we'll use admin, add a password here. So we'll add our email. And leave this as is and just click install now. And we have successfully installed WordPress. Let's go back. Let's go back to websites and list websites. Okay, let's go to our domain. Okay, great. We have successfully installed WordPress and we will log into the administration dashboard. Okay, we will log in. So now we are here on our first WordPress website on CyberPanel, and let's install a theme. Okay, we will add a theme. We'll just close this one. Let's say Cadence. Let's activate. And we will install starter templates. Okay, we will use the pedesigned. And let's install a free theme. So let's install this one. Okay, let's see our site. And now we have successfully host our WordPress website. And now if you want to host multiple WordPress, just follow the previous steps. We'll go back to our CyberPanel and we will add our website first. So we'll create a website. So we'll select the package. And for our domain, this will be our domain, webchunks.store. And we'll select a PHP version and we'll just click create websites. Okay, now we will go back. Okay, we'll just go to list websites and we'll manage the second WordPress website. Then scroll down and you can see WordPress and we will install this one. So this will be my second WP in CyberPanel. So we'll just use admin. We will set a strong password and our email. And we will install now. And now let's go to our domain. So we will open this in a new tab. Okay, so now we have successfully installed the second WordPress website in CyberPanel. You can now add your own theme and install plugins and customize your website. So If you want to add more, just follow the steps I have laid. And now let's go back to our CyberPanel. And if you don't want to use an IP address, you can use a host name. So let's go to SSL and let's go to hostname SSL. So we will go to setup wizard. So just click this one and we will set a host name. So for instance, panel.webshanks.store, and we will skip this one and we will add an A record so that we can access our host name. So let's go back to our domain register, click add new record. We will use an A record, so that will be panel. Just copy the IP address and just click save. Then let's go back to our CyberPanel. So now let's start configuration. Okay, so now we have finished setting up our host name. We will now click restart CyberPanel. So now let's go to our secure CyberPanel. So that will be panel. Okay, that will be panel.webchunks.store. And now we are accessing our CyberPanel securely. So the same login credentials will be admin. And now we have issued an SSL for our CyberPanel host name. And if you want to add more WordPress or set up an email, you can do so as long as your resources are enough. So this is how to host multiple WordPress websites on CyberPanel using one VPS. So I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions, comment them down. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.